Hello everyone, what's going on? It's PJ here. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to reviewing Octagon, which is already released yesterday on 7th of June, and it's very special application. It's very fantastic application, so that with this you can earn up to $300 or to more than $250 per day. That's why I don't want you to miss this out. That's why I'm going to review this application, this product, and with this you'll get done for you, automated done for you clickbank and warrior plus review sites to generate to more than $250 per day on autopilot mode. And also with this you'll get unlimited campaign creation. You don't have any limit to create your campaign, to run your to get this number of earning. Okay, and it with the one time fees, you don't need to pay monthly fees. With this you pay once and you will have all these things: targeted traffic, offers to sell, and you will have unlimited campaign creation. You can create unlimited campaign with this. If you feel this is something important, just then stick with me. I'm going to give you more details on this product, and you will know exactly what it is and how does it work. I will be go through sales page, member area, and also I have put some custom bonuses for those who want to pick up this uh, special application via my link, which I put mentioned down below in the description box. The first link in the description box is my affiliate links. Once you click there, you will be landed on my bonus page, my stunning bonus page. And let's jump to my PC to see what is all about the bonuses and also member area and sales page. Let's jump to my PC. So guys, this is my special stunning bonus page for those who want to pick this product via my link, which I mentioned down below in the description box. And once you click there, you will be landed on this special bonus page. And this special bonus page will comes down at 12 p.m. standard time on Thursday, June 10th. And before this you have to take action to get this product to have all my bonuses. And this is my countdown. Once the countdown is 0, all my bonuses will be expired, and you will not be able to get my bonuses. So let's start with my bonuses and let's see what is all about the Octagon. So it's clone your profit. With the Octagon, you can clone your profit and traffic pulling done for your ClickBank and Warrior Plus review sites and done for your funnels in one click. You will start earning commission from ClickBank and Warrior Plus without doing any manual work. It's done for your ClickBank plus Warrior Plus review sites, and also you will get done for your funnels, and you can create unlimited traffic campaign and review or blogs. Also, you'll get done for your irresistible bonuses loaded up for your user to deploy. Sorry. And also you'll get automatically generated delivery page for seamless bonus delivering. And also you'll get 100% cloud based, and because this is 100% cloud based and you don't need to install it and required to install this download this software or application. You don't need to have any skill to use this special Octagon application. Even if you are completely new, you can use this. It's very easy to use. It's very newbie friendly as well, and you'll get complete system with no monthly and annual fees. Once you pay, and you don't need to pay anything else. So these are some upsells of this product. We'll talk this about in later on. Let's see about my bonuses. So my first bonus that I'm going to give you is you'll get access for Zono's YouTube ad course. You'll get access for the Zono's YouTube ad course. Here you'll get all the knowledge about how to create ad on YouTube. As we all know that YouTube is the second largest hub for searching. The second largest search hub in Google. After Google, this is the second largest hub, and you'll get tons of millions of traffic from here when you get started with the ads on YouTube. So you'll learn everything on everything about ads, how to set the ads, how to get the traffic from YouTube. You will learn everything in this special bonus. And I am going to give you the second bonus is you will learn here how to master the clickbank. Here you're gonna learn everything about the clickbank, how you can find the best offer to sell, and how you can promote the product, and where you get the traffic. Everything they're gonna teach you here in this special second bonus that I'm going to give you. And also you'll get the bonus, which is legally use other videos. In this special bonus, you'll learn from where you get the videos to use it legally, how you can get the others video to use it legally on your YouTube to get more subscribers and to increase your YouTube channel. So my fourth bonus is you'll get how to make an email capture. From here you'll learn everything, how to create an opt-in page, landing page, and everything they're gonna teach you how to create your email list, to build your email bank. Everything you're gonna learn here in the fourth bonus. And my fifth bonus is special vendor bonus, that you'll get all the vendor bonuses from here as well. And on top of the vendor bonus, you'll get all my bonuses completely free. And if you want these bonuses or with the Octagon special application, just click any of this red button. Once you click here, any of this red button, once you click here, you will be landed on the sales page, which will looks like this. And once you click here, get instant access, you will get instant access for this special Octagon application. And also you'll get my all bonuses that I mentioned just before, completely free of charge. You don't need to pay anything for these. Once you purchase the Octagon, you will get all these bonuses completely free. Even if you buy the front end of this special Octagon application, which cost you $17, and once you purchase this, you'll get all my bonuses free. And here you'll get access for powerful Octagon software and training modules. There are upsells as well. Another upsells number one is Octagon Pro. You'll get in $27. Here you will get access to 8 extra ClickBank products, a review campaign for maximize your traffic and your sales. And also you'll get second upsells. This done for you turbo campaign, you'll get in $97, but here in downsell you'll get in $67 only. And in this you'll get 2 times done for your campaign and every week. And the third upsells is Octagon Launchpad agency. It costs you $197, and here you'll get launch Octagon as your own product. Here you can launch your Octagon as your own product and rebrand it and fully customize Octagon, and you can customize the Octagon as your own, and you can sell this product. And there are upsell number 4 is called reseller rights, and you can resell this Octagon as it is as your own, and you'll get 100% sales. You can keep 100% of your sales. You don't need to pay anything from here once you get the reseller rights in $97. And now if you purchase this, you'll get in only in $67 in downsell. So it's very good things that you will get the reseller rights and sell this product as your own. And let's see, once you purchase this product, go to your Warrior Plus ID and go to your purchase history. When you go to your purchase history, you will see there down in your purchase history there is access affiliate bonus, and once you click this blue button, you will have instant access for all my bonuses, and you will have instant access for all the vendor bonuses as well. And let's see the sales page all about what is here. Here it says using free traffic. You can use here the free traffic and automated done for you ClickBank and Warrior Plus affiliate review sites, and with this you can generate $276 per day on autopilot mode. And you don't need to have any plug-in play, no hassles, and no paying for traffic, no experience needed, and you don't need to pay monthly any fees. With this you can, it's 100% cloud-based, as it's 100% cloud-based, you don't need to install it or download this. It's 100% done for your affiliate sites, zero technical skill needed for this. Work anywhere across the world. You can work from anywhere across the world, and also you can create unlimited campaign from this with this. And also you have 100% done for you giveaway here, and free traffic training included. How you get traffic, you have all the trainings here, and also you'll get complete system with no monthly recurring fees, and it's very proven and battle tested. And also you'll get this with 30 days money back guarantee, so you are completely risk free for 30 days. You can use it for 30 days, and if you feel it's not something important, you can apply for your refund. And as I believe, you will get uh, instant earning once you have this, and it's very newbie friendly, so it's a very good product for those who are very new in this field. And you can read this all this these are some testimonials with using this particular application to get how to get these amounts. I mean, these amounts they earn by using this particular application, and these are the person which is behind this product. And you can read this all this in your own time so that you'll get more knowledge about this product. And I'm going to go now in the member area. Once you purchase this and once you log in the product in the application, how it looks like, let me show you exactly. Once you log in, how it look like. So once you log in, you will see this kind of face in front of you, this kind of dashboard in front of you. And from here you can see here is Octagon, and this is the dashboard you make up to here you will see the campaign that you made up to now, and here you can see the pages and with the total clicks, how many clicks you get up to now. And here you can see your campaign. It's a done for you campaign, and here you see you can create the campaign, how many campaigns you created up to now, you can see from here. And the leads also, you'll get total subscriber and leads from here. It's very good things. Also you can create your email bank. You can build your email bank, email list from with this application, with this particular application. So it's really good. You don't need to create your opt-in page, the landing page, or anything. Once you run your campaign, you will get lead as well from there. So in your profile, once you click your profile, you can okay, once you click your profile, you will see this dashboard in front of you. You can change your website, you can put your website titles here, click bank affiliate ID here. You can write something about you. You can choose the file from here to for your profile picture, and you can change it in your own as you like. And other than for your campaign that you can use directly for to run your traffic. There are some done for your campaign to promote. You can see here you'll get here almost 7 done for you. It's done for your campaign. You can use this campaign by copy this, and you can use this as well. You can review this campaign. You can see these are the campaigns that you can use automatically, or you can see this, it's a campaign CC marketing product review. So let's see here, and you can promote this campaign with your own affiliate links from here. You can use your affiliate link. You have to put your affiliate link here so that you'll get paid once someone buy this. And there are some done for your campaign too. Let's see what's here. So these are some done for your campaign. You can get your affiliate links from here, and you can promote directly. So once you click here, you will get your affiliate link from here, and you can see here it's very, you don't need to find anything from here. You don't need to find anything to sell. And there are some done for your funnels. So these are the done for you funnels. You can use it directly, or if you want, these are the some done for you funnels that you can use directly, or you can change this as your own, how you like. So let's see. Let's see here, leads. You can see your leads, how many leads you have up to now. You can change your banner up to from here, and your campaign, you can make your campaign from here. And here you'll get training, all the trainings, that how you get traffic, how you get how you can use your campaign, everything you'll get training from here. They will teach you everything with this. Once you click your training, you will see that's here. Here you'll get how to add your affiliate links in your campaign, how to get create your own campaign. They're gonna teach you everything, and how to create your own funnel campaign. And here you'll learn how to drive traffic from Quora, and here you'll get how to get free traffic to any affiliate offers. They're gonna teach you everything from here. And also you have bonuses that vendors gives to you. You can have access from here, all the bonuses. Once you click here, you will see your bonuses from the vendors that vendors give to you. And also you will, once you purchase that, you will have all my bonuses that I mentioned before. So once you click here, you will have access for all these bonuses. Create your own WordPress websites. So they're going to teach you everything about the WordPress websites, how you can create that. And you can see here your second bonus you will have, it's how to make money on Fiverr. And third bonus, ClickBank market secrets. You will learn about the ClickBank marketing secrets. And the fourth bonus is 3 free traffic sources to drive targeted visitors to your affiliate offers. And fifth bonus, it's exclusive mastermind Facebook group. And the sixth bonus is affiliate marketing success bundle with the Octagon. And the seventh bonus that you will have is profit product bundle. So overall you'll get 11 bonuses with my bonuses. So it's a very packaged software you're gonna have with the bonuses, so that you can boost your earning as you want. So it's all about the money making system. So you can make your you can make money as you like with this. If you use all these bonuses and all this knowledge, then you can boost your earning as you like. So this is all about this Octagon special application to earn up to more than $300 per day. Thank you very much guys that you stay with me, and I hope you'll get more knowledge about this product, the special product called Octagon. And I believe with this you'll get your earning once you get this, and you will have your life, and you can enjoy your life with this awesome fantastic software, which will allow you to earn more than $250 per day, which is really insane, which is really good to earn for the beginners. And it's really beginner friendly as well, as you know that. And I hope to see you in next video, and thank you very much for this. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and like the videos. And if you have a question, please comment down in the comment box. I really appreciate for that. And thank you very much. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.